Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new folks. Today we have another wholesome episode of my tortoises eating. Now most people think that tortoises are vegetarians, even vegans. However, they are opportunistic omnivores. They usually live in an environment where food is hard to come by, so anything they come around, they will eat. Today I want to show you my tortoises eating a piece of chicken. They absolutely love to eat chicken or even earthworms. So here, let me not talk anymore. Have a look for yourself. Watch them finish off a piece of chicken together. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment on what you think of this video. And if you haven't as yet, subscribe to the channel. Your support really matters. Thank you very much.